Running a successful shop isn't easy. Every day brings new challenges. Finding great people, improving profitability, building stronger systems, creating a team that can thrive without depending on you for every decision. That's exactly why Drive Expo exists. For 3 incredible days in Las Vegas, hundreds of shop owners, managers, and industry professionals come together for one purpose: to become better business owners. This isn't just another conference. It's a chance to step away from the day-to-day demands of your business and spend time working on your business alongside people who understand exactly what you're facing. You'll learn from experienced coaches, respected industry leaders, and fellow shop owners who are willing to share what's working in their businesses right now. From leadership and financial management to marketing, recruiting, operational excellence, technology, and artificial intelligence. Every session is designed to give you practical ideas you can implement when you return home. But what makes Drive Expo truly special isn't just what's happening on stage. It's the conversations in the hallways, the friendships built over lunch, the ideas shared between sessions, the relationships that continue long after the event ends. It's a community of business owners committed to helping one another succeed. You'll leave inspired. You'll leave challenged. Most importantly, you'll leave with a clear plan for building a stronger business and becoming a stronger leader. Join us September 24th through 26th at the Westgate Las Vegas Resort and Casino for Drive Expo 2026. Invest 3 days in your future. Return with ideas, relationships, and momentum that can impact your business for years to come. We can't wait to see you in Las Vegas. Own your future at Drive Expo.